Welcome. In front of me I have the UGREEN charger for the iPhones and AirPods. This is the MagSafe charger, so I'll do an unboxing along with a quick look at it. So, jumping straight into it, I actually need to jump and grab a knife so I can get in here. There we go. The cable. Here we have instructions. I'm pretty sure we can figure out how to use a charger. And then the actual charger itself. There we go. So that's how it looks like. So at the bottom we have the place for our AirPods. Now, out of curiosity, there we go, put it in my pocket. I don't have AirPods, but I want to check out if it will work with anything else. So let's see. I'm gonna plug it in a crappiest way, but it looks like it did work. So now if I place these on here, okay, let's try a different one. Now, possibility is that this is just 5 watts, so it won't actually be charging it, but this should, although it's Samsung, and yeah, it turns on. Oh, okay, so it is charging it. You can see it right now, and if I flip it to the side, you can see that it is charging. Obviously, it's designed for AirPods, but I just wanted to check if it can charge anything else, which no surprise, I guess it can. So won't be probably laying too well with like buds like this, as they don't actually fit in the area. And in addition, if you have a case on your AirPods, obviously the case might also not fit well in here because it's going to add a little bit more bulk to it. This is just kind of if you have the case and nothing on it, just plop it on here and it's good to go. In terms of the top one, the MagSafe one, it does have a little bit of a adjustability on here. As you can see, you have this arm, you can move it up and down. So pretty nice. And you can have it almost laying straight, close to straight down. And again, just like the previous one, if you have some kind of MagSafe cases on non-Apple iPhone or like phones in general, you should be able to still charge these. So just to test that out, here's a fold, and yep, it's charging, as you can see. So there we go. Okay, so here's the UGREEN charger. Looks pretty nice. Has a little bit of a weight at the base, though not too much. And obviously it charges your devices. Now, last thing that I'm going to check, which I have not done so, is if it shows me any kind of charging speeds on the box, and it does at the back. So we have output for iPhone is 7.5 watts, output for AirPods 5 watts. Total output power from both of these combined is 20 watts. So technically it should be able to do 10 watts on each. And yeah, that's basically charging speed. So still 10 watts or 7, depending. For a wireless charger, it's okay. It's nothing like substantial, but most devices charge at this speed. There's only like handful devices like the Xiaomi, which have something like a 70 watt wireless charging speed, which is just absolutely bonkers. It's done for convenience, not to top up your device instantly. So for that, you just kind of have this, for instance, at work, come to your desk, slap it on, and your phone is slowly charging, but it's always top, which is basically the benefit of it. So anyway, that's basically it. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.